Working into a chain. Wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Pinch the yarn end with your thumb. And middle finger make a slip knot first. Make a circle with yarn. Hold the yarn circle with your thumb. Put the hook in the circle. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the loop. A slip knot is made. Make a chain stitch. Yarn round hook. Pull the yarn through the loop and hook. Okay, we've made a chain stitch. Work chain stitches in the same way. Here we've worked 3 chains. How to count the chain stitches? Look for the V shape created by chain. Should notice that the slip knot does not count as stitch. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3,